Alright, here's the Raleigh Cemetery, and what we've got is the ice storm that came through. Looks like we got a whole lot of trees and stuff that are down out here. Gonna kind of walk around and look. See about 4 of them. Big old cedar trees. They took a licking. I think we had about a ½ inch of ice came down. Really not real smart walking around down here. And they had it looking real good out here. Old cedar tree. I do not know why I'm out here. This is not one of the smartest things I've ever done. The old tree sure did take a beating last night. Whew. And you can hear tree limbs breaking back in the distance. Come a long way since 2010, whenever I did the first video in March 2010. Couldn't hardly get through all this stuff. It was so clobbered. Out here where the Shelbys are at. These cedar trees look like they took the worst hit. Time to get out of here. still pretty out here. Alright, just means a lot more work. I have this posted on YouTube. Again, this is the Raleigh Cemetery.